heyitsfei, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been really into hair rollers because I want volume. As you can see, my hair is brassy and I can't do anything about it because I don't want to color it myself, but who knows, very tempted. Obviously, it's not an essential to get my hair colored, so I'm just gonna be brass for now. Yep. She is brass. Until then, I'm gonna keep doing what I do best by strengthening, lengthening my hair. I mean, hello, with the help of Function of Beauty. You guys know I've been using them for over a year to almost 2 years. Just give me one more year and my hair's gonna be down to my butt. That is definitely a self-care goal this year. To me, taking care of myself is also taking care of my hair. I've converted to an actual hair drying towel. I've been leaving in hair masks. I've been conditioning more. Like I mentioned before, it's super easy to start your own Function of Beauty. So all you have to do is take a simple quiz. You really get to customize it to your liking and what you want as your hair goal. For me, as always, volume, lengthen, and strengthen. Those are my top 3. And then I kind of pick and choose the rest. And you guys know that I'm religiously addicted to the peach scent, so I always go for that fragrance. Or you can pick a non-fragrance if you don't want anything. Okay, this is the fun part that I love sharing. I named my bottle Bubba because that's what my boyfriend calls me. That's why I call my boyfriend. I thought it would be special because my boyfriend literally steals my shampoo and conditioner as well. The Bubba bottle. I love the hair mask as well. I'll just lather it on me while I'm like washing my body. Speaking of my body skincare, it has stepped up. This is the first time I'm trying their body wash and lotion. So far, I've been loving it. I do have pretty balanced skin, not too dry or not too oily. This has made my skin so smooth. I'll be rubbing my own legs sometimes for no reason. Just saying. I really want to focus on my elbows though because my elbows are rough. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run out of that lotion real fast. You guys can get a free body set when you order here when you click the link in my bio. Local offer, buy a hair set and get body free. Click the link. I love a complete set for hair and body, not only matching in color but also scent too. All for my hair and skin type. Okay, now for the haul. Today's haul is going to be a Korean style one size fit all. Keyword, one size fit all. Try on haul. The word one size sits really iffy with me because one size should fit all, right? Right? So, if these clothes don't fit, does that mean that I'm not one-sized?
That's suspicious.
Per usual, as a disclaimer in my hauls, we all know by now if you've been watching these videos on my channel, thank you for being here. Sizes in Asia run differently from sizes in the Western world, aka America. I'm your average mid-sized Asian American girl, a size 8 in bottoms, and my tops are like mediums, sometimes large, because here's a haul for one of us girls. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my friend Krystal. These are really cute fuzzy bucket hats from her brand Me Mine. I was really determined to wear and style this until I realized how big of a head I have. I look like I'm going to a funeral. Like she wears it, super cute, but look at it on me. Like my head. Okay, but seriously, check out her shop if you have a small head. I'm kidding. You and I can both rock this if we tried. I'm just not trying right now. But check her out. I'm gonna also leave her Instagram down below. By now, this should not be a surprise if you're into K-style or if you shop on YesStyle. This is from chuu. I feel like chuu was a huge brand back in the days, okay, a couple years ago. Especially if you were a fan of Style Nanda, which I am. I love their makeup and I love their clothes and the models. Yes. I think chuu is like a sister brand of Style Nanda. Oh my gosh. I always do that. I got myself a hoodie and jogger set because the model just clearly sold it to no surprise. Heavy, thick, good quality. Oh my gosh, yes. The bottoms are supposed to be wide leg sweatpants, but look at this waist. Like this is supposed to be one size, remember? Like girl, look at the stretch. It does a stretch. Okay, maybe you can make it work. Ooh, super soft on the inside. Baby butt soft. Oh my god. But hold on. I can't even climb onto the couch. This is one-sized. Look, it doesn't go up my thigh. We almost there. Okay, if you have a fat ass, which I don't, good luck girl. My prayers are with you. We made it. It is tight. Now for the sweater, I have high hopes that it's more inclusive. Okay, let's talk about the pros. Cute, fits nice. It's on the edge of one size all. I mean, it fits even with the chesties, but it can go both ways. It can be a little bit too loose for some of you guys and then a little bit too tight for some of you guys. Like, it fits pretty nice on me, but here's the issue. Me as a whole right now, do you want to see this? I don't think you're ready. Why do I look like a teenage boy on the wrestling team? Something about this fit, I don't know if it works for me. Oh. I do love how sturdy the hoodies are. I love hoodies that can stand on its own. It has so much like structure to it. Pants, oh girl. It's a plus that you don't really see the chubs. Maybe I have to break into it. In the white part, surprisingly the length is good. I'm shocking myself here. Not only did my hair grow, I think I grew. Oh, she come in clutch. See, I told you if I try. This is kind of cute though. Oh my god, so this teddy bear t-shirt, come on, it's so cute. Very bright and breezy today. I'm bowling morning dawn. Bowling? Are you speaking English? This is supposed to be a one size fit all t-shirt, but tell me why if it's tight. I mean, it's not tight. It's just not like what I thought. A little bit more loose or something. I mean, why do I look like this today? I'm not feeling myself. Like, I'm really not. I mean, look. It's cute though. I mean, if I wore a big jacket on top of this, I don't feel like a baddie today. I feel like him. I feel like a teddy bear. Okay, let's mix it up. This is another K-style brand, Dabagirl. I'm realizing that the more K-shops I look at, their styles are very similar to each other. At least on YesStyle. Lip Hop is the only K-style brand that I find that stands out to me. Lip Hop is the very like, ooh, it's the bad. These K-style clothes are very like, I am a well-mannered woman, not me. Doesn't this scream I'm educated and I don't have low standards? Look how tight it is already on my arm. One size? You mean like one size too small? Oh my god, this is cute. Way too judgy, way too soon. This has a lot of potential. Ignore the sweats. This is giving me Cinderella vibes. I am an educated, well-mannered, high-standard girl. If I were you, I'd watch what I say. Okay, wait. The more I look at this, am I too wide? Do my breasts go out this far? Are they this wide? Or do I show my armpit more so they know? Maybe it's better when it's on your shoulders. Why do I look so big right here? Like, what the fuck? This is why I dislike off the shoulder, because I'm like wide. I look so broad right now. I feel so insecure. White is gonna make me look a little bit more like versus. I know I'm nagging, but I do like it though. The neckline stands out. It's different from shirts that you would normally keep in your closet anyway. I look a little thick from the side. 8 out of 10. Here's another shirt from Daba. Judging from the package, definitely not my style, but I did it anyway because I would like to branch out from just Lip Hop. My love for Lip Hop, astronomical. Oh, okay. All right, she really came and said, I'm a new girl. Whack. So, let's talk about it. I don't know if it's my style. So here we have a shirt, that's a great way to explain this, divided in 2 pieces. It's supposed to kind of run on your body like this, regular cotton going on with a dress shirt on this side. We have a dress shirt peeking out on this arm. I hate this. Like, why for way? I mean, this is cute, but this kills it. Wouldn't it be cuter if it was like, actually, maybe it is cuter this way. Ooh. Don't forget, this is a one size fit all. I don't know if I like categorizing all women shapes and sizes into a one size category when it fits like this, but that's just my opinion. Please don't hate. We're gonna reroute and head back to Chuu. Oh my god, yes. This, I think, will be my favorite piece. I already know. This is basically a cardigan sweater and it connects on the bottom. See? Oh my god, cute. I love wearing cardigans that hang off my shoulder, so this naturally doesn't. So if you don't like that, then probably not for you. Wait, am I wearing this wrong? Like this? I like it like this. Maybe like this. Definitely not. I love it. It really is like 2 leg pants that you just put over your arms. Kind of into it. Stripping off your arm but not falling off completely because there's no way. You can have it on and run like this. Oh my god, I'm freezing down here. I can't lie. There's a rumor around that you're gonna get this cardigan too, aren't you?
Stop spreading those rumors around. Stop spreading the lies.
You have to get this. It's gonna fall off regardless of what you do with your life. It's gonna fall off like everything else in life. We love that for 2021. I know this haul was super short. I kind of like the short hauls because honestly, when I film long hauls, I don't know who I become. So this is our last K-style item from Dabagirl. And yes, everything in this haul rounds up to like $500. What the fuck? Oh, ooh, it's a turtleneck, but a button-up shoulder turtleneck. Okay, like I kind of fudge with this. This is kind of cute as a turtleneck. Although I do feel like I'm in a potato sack strapped down. It's because I don't have a long neck. If I had a longer neck, things might be different for us. I don't really like how it ends down here. It's just kind of like, what? Maybe if it was like a little tight. But it is one size, give or take. That's it. Situation. The turtleneck part, like I said, if I had a longer neck, maybe you'll understand the concept more. But because I don't, it kind of looks like I have no neck. Like it's just like a bib on me. Maybe like that. I don't hate it. It's just the more I wear it, the longer I look at it, I get a little bit like, I don't know what else to say. Would you wear this? This is much better. If we just keep it a little bit enclosed up here so it's not too like, why are you wearing a blanket? Versus, wow, that's a cute bib you have on. It will be so much cuter as a cropped sweater. But what the heck am I gonna do with all this fabric, huh? Buttons. Sleeves are cinched here. That is it for this Korean style one size fit all haul. And these clothes do lean towards the higher end price range. I do feel like some people would appreciate these styles way more than I do. My style is basically on the other end of the spectrum. When and if you purchase these items from these K-style brands, it will not give you much of an option for sizing. So it will just say one size, assuming that every body shape can fit into this one size. I know it's not intentional for brands to put out this message that women should fit this one size. I think it's just more for the convenience of the brand not having to make different sizes. But that leaves little to no consideration towards women that are a little bigger or are way too small. I can totally understand the one size concept. However, I do feel like it's a sensitive matter to fit every body shape into one category. But also I am an overthinker, so maybe I'm thinking way too deep into this. I don't know, let me know what you think. Just know that if you're gonna purchase any kind of clothes from any part of Asia, one size is a very standard thing. Like this video if you guys want more K-style hauls, and until next time, I'm sending you love, bye!